Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back. My Forex Trading Plan. Thank you so much guys. Okay, yes. Alright, let's have a good Friday over here. Today we are going to have experience this PPI in the GMT plus 8 in the night. Okay, so we have it on the 21:30 and GMT plus 8. So guys, do prepare yourself. All right, today the trading may be a bit boring, stagnant, or maybe there will be some volatility during the London session. All right. So nevertheless, okay, we are still coming in here to plan out what are we going to focus on our trading plan. Okay, on our trading trades here. Okay, so yeah, let's go into this MT4. Yeah, that's nice. All right. So first of all, I'm going to skip it very fast for those buying, okay, because I'm selling. All right, I'm a seller, so I only selling trades here. All right, so yep. Hi Marcus, hi CK, nice to see you here. Roger, hi. Yep, nice to see all of you here. Yes, hi, good morning. Wasi, namaste. Yeah, I'm good when I see you. Right, okay, that's nice of you to come in here at this hour. Okay, after this you can take a lunch. Alright, so let's move. Okay, Aussie CAD quickly. Okay, this is going to buy. So resistance is coming very soon. So buyers take note. Alright, for Aussie franc, we are still in this area here and we are having a ranging here. So tentatively by looking in this level. Okay, so buyers, it's your turn to take a buy until the resistance level. Right, so for Aussie yen, let's take a look at Aussie yen. Well, Aussie yen, we are actually coming into the bear, transiting into the bear. So from the bull into the bear, but looking at this is the bull trend, and now we are transiting into the bear. So coming soon, all right. So looks like today we have a good chance for selling onto the Aussie yen, right? So let's take a look. Okay, Aussie yen has actually come up to have tested into this area, this level here, as we can see. This is the structure of whether to buy or to sell, correct? Okay, so now the resistance has created here, and as we can see, support is there. All right, support level. Okay, very clear. It's setting up over here. So there's one level here that we need to take note, right? So the other level that we need to take note is about this level. Okay, whereby you can see there's going to be a higher support over there. So it has been tested on the resistance. Now we are coming near to this and got rejected up. So are we still going for a buy or are we going for the selling? So tentatively, okay, allow it to have it may have another swing down to create a downward structure. Then we will have a good chance for selling. All right. So yep, then we shall look out for this Aussie yen. Okay, tentatively there may be looking for some support. Okay, but looks like it has actually confirmed a support. Let's wait for this to reach the resistance to see if it's actually coming back to the support level here, which we have about 20 pips of space. Right, so there may be a chance there. Okay, there may be a chance there. So let's see. Okay, if we are actually taking this consideration. All right. Okay, during the London session. However, okay, now let's put this Aussie yen in watch list first. Right. Okay, so next to go. Right, next to go. Okay, Aussie Kiwi. Right, Aussie Kiwi, we are still running in the bear. However, we have been testing on this support for quite a while, and it's not being break it. And for Aussie Kiwi, currently we still have some space now to test this level 40 pips away. So looks good. Okay, the support has no change here. 35 pips there. So currently, okay, we have achieved one level of resistance. The resistance came down. Okay, so now over here we can take a look. It has actually rejected. So Aussie Kiwi, yes, quite good to go. All right, so we can take use of this. Right, so Aussie dollar. Well, Aussie dollar is very clear that we are actually looking up for a bull. Right, we are still on the bull run. So in this bull run over here, we have a resistance up there. Okay, resistance up here. So in this resistance, all right, we are looking into this S into resistance to form a double top here before we can actually start selling today. All right, so looking at the follow time frame of H4 here, well, looks like it's still waiting to test the resistance up there. So currently we are only about 48 pips away, so I think it's still quite far away. So I think I'll take a break here. Okay, so let's skip this. All right, so for Euro Aussie, well, Euro Aussie, it looks like we are in the bear, but take a look at the general trend here. We are actually having a support here at a higher support compared to all these move, and now it's actually coming down to look out for a support level. All right, so let's take a look. Where is the support level that it is looking for? There's one level here that's actually build out another higher support here. So coming in there, we don't really have a lot of space here. So probably we may want to take note of this level of 20 pips. After it hits here, buyers can take note, right? For seller, can have to wait for it to break below. Okay, and retest this area, then we can go for a buy. Go for a sell. Okay, so EURCAP. Let's take a look at EURCAP. Well, EURCAP, we are still in the move. Okay, so very bullish. So tentatively, I'm going to skip this. Okay, right. So Euro Yen. Well, Euro Yen today. Look at this Euro Yen today. Well, Euro Yen today, looking into this vision here, we are still on the buy side. Okay, so the buy is actually still going very nicely. Okay, but seems like there's a chance of turning down for selling for Euro Yen. So Euro Yen, okay, right now has tested onto the resistance up there here. Okay, so very nicely touched here, and now we are actually coming down to look for support. So for the support area here, right, tentatively I'm looking at about 23 pips there. So there may be a chance that it breaks this support and it may still come down for another round of selling to this level. Okay, so it's about 27 pips. So about total is about 40 pips there. So can we have a chance to sell that? Yep, we may have a chance to sell on Euro Kiwi. So Euro Yen. So over here, yeah, Euro Yen, I'm going to take note. Right, so next to go, Euro Kiwi. Well, Euro Kiwi, are we looking out for anything here? Euro Kiwi, we are in the selling mode. So right now, we are actually in bear. The bear is still running, so nice today. Okay, so we have a very big space down there for Euro Kiwi. We have about 80 pips of space. So very clear that we are going for a selling. And Euro Kiwi, okay. Yep, so let's take a look at Euro Dollar. Well, Euro Dollar over at this point here, we are still in the bull. The bull is still running. So at this point here, are we meeting up with any of the resistance there? Yes, we are actually very close to the resistance for Euro Dollar. So will Euro Dollar actually start selling today? Okay, will there be a chance? Even there's a selling, it's still anti-trend. It's still against the trend. So currently, I will be looking at the level if you are going to sell, right? So this level here, this space here is another higher support area. 37 pips of space, yeah, there may be a chance for selling. Okay, so Euro Dollar, yeah, I'm going to put this in my watch list. However, this is actually a retracement. Okay, so do take note. Okay, yeah. So again for Pound Aussie. Right, Pound Aussie over here. Well, Pound Aussie, we are looking into this area here that seems like still in the bull. Well, so in the bull, we are still looking into the area that is going to reach out for the resistance. Have we tested the resistance? Yes, we have reached the resistance. Have we reached the support? We still have one support level here. There may be still chances of selling. However, it's still against the trend, and now by looking into this area here, okay, then probably it's a good chance that there may be a selling opportunity to test on the support before it starts buying. Well, are we going to sell? I'm going to put this aside first. Okay, yeah, all right. So let's put this aside first. Okay, then let's see if later on are we going to sell this. All right. สวัสดีครับ Yo, nice to see you. กินข้าวเหนียวไหม Alright, so let's move again. Pound cat over here. We are in the move. So buying is possible. No for selling. Pound franc. How about pound franc? Well, pound franc over here, we are actually testing into resistance in the bull. Then testing onto the resistance, it came down right here. But our support level is still good here. So take note of this level as we can see. Right, so this level is there a possibility that it will start to sell down? But there may be, But for pound franc, okay, there may be a chance that it actually will go and test the resistance. So we are right in the middle. So in this case, I need the H1 RD. I need H1 to actually give me a cycle of selling. Then I will go for selling. Okay, so for pound franc, okay, tentatively, okay, I will put this under observation. I will be this one. I can say that there's a 13 pips of space to sell. However, it's a bit too small. Okay. Well, let's see whether they take out the lows here today. Well, if there is a chance to take out the lows, there may be a chance that we can also meet up with this support level. Okay, so total we have about 17 pips basing on current price. Okay, all right. So yep. Then let's move into pound yen. Well, pound yen today. Pound yen today we are looking into a situation. It is still in the bull, as we can see very clearly. Right, so this bull is still running. The thing is that the bull is having a retracement today because it has tested onto the resistance. Okay, the resistance here, the general strength of the resistance here. So it has tested once and it's not breaking and got rejected. It got rejected now. So wow, I see that there's a good chance. However, it hits on the supports and got rejected up again. So probably we need to wait for pound yen retest the resistance once again. Then we can sell, or there's a new cycle of selling in H1 here, then probably we can go for another round of selling. But this is also anti-trend. Okay, so there may be a chance that it will still hover around this area here. Okay, so let's see, from here to here we have about 60 space within there in this area. So let's see if there's a chance that we are going to sell for pound yen. Okay. Right, so I'm going to put pound yen into my watch list, but I'm going to indicate that this is against the trend. So you will see one icon, not icon, symbol. Okay, a symbol on the currency pairs. Okay. Yep. Or pound kiwi. Now let's take a look at pound kiwi. Pound kiwi, we are still in the bear after it's hovering around, and then finally it gets out of this area. So for pound kiwi at the moment, okay, it should be going down, and now be testing on the support down there. So very straightforward. I'm going to put this pound kiwi into my watch list. Okay, yep, pound kiwi, right? So at this moment, let's take a look at this pound dollar. Pound dollar. Well, pound dollar, are we still? Yes, we are. Yeah, but the bull is actually meeting up with a resistance up there. So at this moment here, now we're looking at this, we can see that over in this area, the wicks here are all being suppressed, correct? And they got rejected. So there's one of the resistance here. But again, is that pound dollar, okay, it is still in the move, that it may still continue to move upwards, okay, to get this. But along the way, it may still want to get some support before it can continue to run. Okay, so for pound dollar, there may be a chance that we can look out for support. Okay, the support over today's opening, right? So yesterday it has a good selling. After that, it has escalated up. Okay, until this today we have a gap which has been filled up already. So currently, okay, seems like there may be a chance that it will actually come down for a selling, and very soon to look out for a support. So it's also against the trend once again. So will it actually good to focus on this? Well, at this moment, right? So I'm going to put pound dollar under observation. I'm not going to put my watch list first. Okay, right? Dollar CAD. Yeah, dollar CAD. Well, dollar CAD over here, it seems like a dollar CAD today. We are having a USPPI today. All right, so please do take note about trading with the dollar pairs. Right, so inclusive of dollar CAD here, it seems like it's climbing in the structure of a bull. All right, so we are going to test on this. Well. So there's a resistance up here, correct? Okay, for this area here. So let's see. Okay, this is going to continue to rise, and to take this before it actually starts selling. Well, there may be a good chance there, right? So we can hang on and take a look at this. This will go for a buy first. Okay. Well, so for this area here, for dollar CAD, I think it will, apart from this area here, it will come to this area here. So it's quite high up, right? So for buyers, can take note for this dollar CAD, which we have about another 80 pips to go. Okay. Yeah, so dollar franc, how about dollar franc? How about dollar franc? Let's take a look at dollar franc. Yep, dollar franc, let's take a look. We are actually in pair. So right now it's still actually good to sell in this way. So let's take a look. Well, we have successfully breached the support level over in this area and also this area of support. Finally, it has finally breached this area here. Okay, so tentatively, let's wait for this dollar franc to retest this area then before we go for another round of selling. So dollar franc looks good. Okay, then we will put this in my watch list. However, once again, there are PPI tonight, so probably we need to be a little bit careful. Okay. Yeah, dollar yen, we are in the bear. Right, good. That's good. Dollar yen is in the bear. So dollar yen is in the bear, so that means to say we are going to look out for selling. However, now we are meeting up with a higher support to push higher. Okay, so like yesterday, we are over here, meet up, and then it started to push higher. Okay, over here until here. So the past few days, it has been hovering around this area. So will it actually have a chance? I am actually looking for dollar yen to break this level of support, and I'm going to start selling into the area 170 out there. So there's a very good chance there. So for dollar yen, still looking for selling over there. Okay, alright. So I'm going to put dollar yen into my watch list. Okay. Yep. And let's move in a little bit on the Bitcoin. Let's understand the situation. Bitcoin has escalated up to 17,200. So once again, it's hovering around this area here. So let's wait. Of course, by Bitcoin, looking at the news here, there's a lot of negative news. Right? So tentatively, let's not touch the Bitcoin first. Okay, so gold, how about the gold? Yes, the gold, yesterday we were talking about the gold. Look at 1790 and it's actually escalating up. All right, so previously I was looking at this level of 1804 again. So 1804 has been achieved to set up one resistance. Now it's coming back to 1804 to test the resistance once again. So very likely, okay, people who are actually on the go, I will be looking out for buying. Okay, buying to 1804. Right, so that is one good point that I'm looking out for. So yep, you can take a look at this. Right, so yep, that should be all for today. Okay, let's see what do we have here. Okay, so right, so yep, and we are going now Aussie yen, Aussie kiwi, Euro yen, Euro kiwi, Euro dollar, Pound yen, Pound kiwi, dollar franc, and dollar yen. Right. Okay, so these are the currency pairs that I'm going to focus today later on in another 1.5 hours time. All right, so GMT plus 8, 3 p.m. Okay, GMT plus 7, 2 p.m. All right, so I'm going live during that period of time for 3 hours. All right, so I shall see you guys there. So guys, do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, so join in the live session later on, and at the same time smash the like button for the effort behind the video now. Alright, click it now, man. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. I shall see you later. See you again.